Hi, palettes, pouts, perfumes and panning with a review on an advent calendar from one of my all-time favourite films, The Wizard of Oz, and I have kept mine and I'm going to open it tonight with you, and here's hoping there's some lovely things in it. I deliberately didn't watch any other reviews on YouTube, so I would be surprised with what I find in the 12 sections of the calendar. And as you can see, it comes in a beautiful green box with gold, and you can see them heading off for the Emerald City. Green and gold, Wizard of Oz, number 7. This is the first advent calendar I've ever had, and had it not been for the Wizard of Oz team, I probably wouldn't have bothered getting an advent calendar, but with the theme that it was, I just couldn't contain myself. So I'm sure you can gather by the way I'm carrying on that I am excited, and I have my Dorothy brooch on me for the review. So that being said, let's get into it. When you open it up, how cool is that? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And emeralds are actually my favourite gemstones, so it's a win-win for me either way. Now I'm going to have to turn around this way. Hopefully you can see. We'll start with number 1. Not sure which of those is number 1. Number 2, let me see. That doesn't seem quite right to me. I hope I haven't got a faulty one. I'm afraid I have. No, they're not coming out in the correct order. They're not coming out at all. If you can see that, that should be number 1, number 2. Can't see anything there at all. Go down here, number 3. No. Live on air or YouTube land. I don't know what's wrong with the calendar. See? 4. No, this is, oh my goodness, this is so disappointing. I've even painted my nails for the review. In the shade, I've put a red colour from my project pan and topped them with a gold glitter. Right. I'm not going to stop the video. I'm not going to delete the video. I'm not going to turn the video off. I'm going to keep going and see what happens. 5. Okay. Right. I'm going to stop the film for a minute and see, can I get the tray underneath out and see what happens. Okay, mystery solved. the interior of the calendar was obviously removed and put in sideways. So I took it out and put it in the correct way, and I'm happy enough to continue with the review. I've checked all the products and I don't think anything has been used or tampered with or tested, swatched or anything. The only thing is it's disappointing from the perspective of I know what's in it now, so that kind of takes the fun out of it. But we'll start again and I'll leave the first part of the unboxing in the video. So one, and this is one, it's called a lip glaze. The packaging is absolutely beautiful, and I'll just put the box down, close up. And the name of the lip glaze is, hardly surprising, Ruby Slippers. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And number two is a liner. And there's a shimmer. It's called Cyclone, but it's not actually a black. There's a lot of green in it, which is very, very nice, and a little smudger at the end. Cyclone black. That's two. And three is a shimmer shadow, gel type, not loose, and it's a yellowy green. And I would be quite confident and will indeed use them. I'm happy enough that they weren't tampered with. I don't know how it went inside, was into the box, or maybe somebody just took it out and put it back in, but such is life. So that's 1, 2, 3. So on to 4, which is a eyeshadow brush, gold and green. One for fine work and one for shadow. Use that for your brows or shimmer, liner, whatever. I think I might use it for powder eyeliner or gel liner. Quite a nice brush. And then again, the green and the gold make it very, very, very cute indeed. 5, another brush. Lovely soft powder brush. Very nice. Can never have too many brushes. So we're on to number 6. A little dusting. It's supposed to be the Yellow Brick Road. And it's a highlight. I'll just take a swatch of that. Very nice. No7, which is a beauty blender in the shape of a diamond. I don't use a beauty blender, I usually use a brush, but I think maybe I could apply the highlight with the beauty blender on the flat side. So that's what I'm going to use it for. And it is take a moment, matches the polish, and the colour of the lipstick is Dorothy. And that's what it looks like. It reminds me of the Mariah Carey lipsticks from MAC with the shimmer on them. And I'm just going to swatch that now. And it is indeed a red. When the little gold speckles come off, it's a true red, or a brick red. Packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, where are we? 9. I do believe I got a faulty one. I actually don't think anybody did open it. And if you see finger marks on the compacts, it's probably mine from moving the palettes around. Shadows. The shimmer. Pinkish shimmer. Goldish shimmer. A russet with shimmer through it. And this one up here, it's a kind of a cross between a brown and a deep burgundy. I'll just give it a swatch. And then the 2 shimmers. That's the bottom one. And the top one. It's very faint. That's quite nice. And these 2 are very nice indeed. This one is very unusual and I'm really liking that one. And again, I would be happy enough that nobody has used them. So, but at the same time, to have to say that after getting it is disappointing in itself, because you should be completely reassured that nobody has tampered with the cosmetics. So kind of did put a tamper on it, but 9, 10. Even the actual items aren't easy to get out. I should just tip down on them. They should come out easier than that. Unfortunately, I just got a faulty one. That is 10, and it's a lip liner in is it red or is it pink? I didn't swatch it when I opened the calendar to move the interior around the correct way. No, I'd say it's definitely more pink. See what it looks like with the ruby slippers. Yeah, it would match the ruby slippers better than the Dorothy red for sure. And it's retractable and the packaging is lovely. And the thing about that packaging is it's very handy because it's not going to get lost in the interior of your cosmetic bag if it's black. You can see it straight away. That's a bonus. 11. Which is another lip glaze. And this one is called Munchkin Pink. Let's not forget the munchkins, which I wouldn't really call a pink at all. It's definitely a nude, bordering on clear, cross between a clear and a slight beige nude, but definitely not pink. Very nice nonetheless. Munchkin Pink and the beautiful packaging. So that just leaves us with 12. And 12 is a double-sided mirror compact. The regular side and this is regular, this is double the strength, so you get a better view of your makeup when you're putting it on. And looks like that. Quite nice, weighty. Yeah, happy with that too. So that was my Wizard of Oz Advent calendar, which was opened mid-January and was disappointing in the sense that the interior had been put in an incorrect manner, or put in correctly and taken out and switched around. So it was quite disappointing in that sense, but as regards the products, I'm happy with the mirror, and I'm happy with the highlight, the shadow, the ruby slippers, the Munchkin Pink, which is a beige nude, the brushes, the lip liner, eyeliner, the glitter shadow, and the Doherty red lipstick. So that's my unboxing of my number 7 calendar, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, just thumbs up the video, and if you would consider subscribing, that would be a bonus. If not, and you like the video, just thumbs up it. So thank you until my next upload. Thank you.